How to download Warzone 2 on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can download Warzone 2 on your PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download Call of Duty Warzone 2 on your PC, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Steam app. So just make sure you have downloaded the official Steam version on your PC. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below so that you can download and install Steam on your PC. It is just like a game store for your PC. Once you download Steam and then open it up, in the search box of your Steam, you just want to make sure to actually type in Call of Duty Warzone 2 and then just search for it. Then you'll see the very first application on the list pop up, which is Call of Duty Warzone 2, as you can find here. So all you need to do is just make sure to go ahead and then just select that game here, and then just make sure to actually go ahead and select your date of birth first of all if you want to view the page. So let me go ahead and enter my date of birth here in order to view the page, and then I'll just select this option called view page, and then the game is going to successfully load up, as you can find here. Now what I need to do is I just need to select this option called play game. Then it will ask me to download it for free so that I can go ahead and make sure at least I have 40 gigabytes free on my drive. So I'll just make sure to install a proper drive here, click on the next option, and then the game will be downloaded to your device. This way you can download Call of Duty Warzone 2 on your PC. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.